Alright, well, here's my Mercedes van that I was in the middle of remodeling and found out that I couldn't get the transmission parts, so nearly impossible. So I went from working on that to getting that, which is, I think that will fit into that. So it's going to make traveling a lot nicer. Just because of size, and it's a diesel, turbo diesel Freightliner, but I've been remodeling it. It was just a blank shell when I got it. I got the kitchen right here, so I got the refrigerator already going in. Gonna put a sink right here. Cut a hole right here for some visual while I'm parked. Turn around. This back corner here is going to be the shower. It's the widest corner in the truck, and then it's the closet I just put in. Still rough on the inside, but it's good size. Then I got typical bench seats with the kitchen table is going to go right in the middle right there, and it'll flatten down to a bed. I got storage underneath each of these cabinets, and then some overhead cabinets, securely mounted to the wall. And then we've got these two. These are it's kind of where I hold my tools. But it also makes into a bed. This one lifts out, and then you swing that open, and you swing both of them open if you're going to sleep up there, but then that creates a bed right there, and I just strap in all my tools, and I got a perfect mattress for up there, so I can have a kitchen table, dining area, and a bed, and a closet, and a shower, and a kitchen again. Plenty of overhead light, but still in the middle of fixing it up. I can't wait to get out on the road with it. It's going to be a blast. There it is.